Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. Today I'm drinking an Imperial Pale Ale made with grapefruit peel, and it's rather delicious. I'm going to do some prep work today for quiche for tomorrow. For the ingredients I'm going to be using for my quiche, I like to prep in advance, so I will be preparing these today and letting them rest in the refrigerator. I'm going to prove not only do men eat quiche, they can make it too. First thing I do to cook my salmon is I put some garlic, olive oil in there and start heating that pan up. I'm also going to put some white wine in there, not very much. Squirt some brown mustard in there. I like to put some capers in there. And a little bit of the juice. Squeeze some lemon in there. Generous squeezing of lemon. I think I'll put 2. It's getting nice and hot. I'm going to put some parsley in there for color and a little texture. Let's place the fish in here. Give it a little salt. And white pepper. Gotta lower that heat a little bit. Make sure I don't burn it. I'll put a lid on it. In this front pot, I'm just using half and half. Half butter and half olive oil. I have just 1 garlic clove and some onions. I'm going to slowly caramelize them. Might as well give it just a little bit of salt and pepper. For the Brussels sprouts, I've taken my act out into the garage where I'm permitted to use a deep fryer. I just cut these in half, trimmed the end a little bit, made sure not to cut through the stem, and I'm just putting them in plain and gonna cook them until they get nice and brown. Cooking the Brussels can take a while, so take your time. Stir them every once in a while and wait until they get golden brown. Put some paper towels down in my bowl. I come in here and I scoop these out quick. They're nice and crispy. Tell me those don't look delicious. And you want to get them out nice and quick when they're still dripping with it, and hit them with some Old Bay seasoning. Always make a little extra, that way you could practice a little quality control before. My favorite hot sauce, and fresh out of the fryer, Brussels sprouts. You know that's good. Time to package these away. And our fish. And our onions. And that's it. That's your basic prep for a salmon quiche for tomorrow morning or afternoon. See you at brunch.